animal control case. Are we still waiting on his client? Sorry. Can y'all let me back in? Hold on one second.
Okay. I've sent for him to come out, Charles Dawes.
That's me. I'm sorry. I closed out the wrong spot.
Ms. Soroki,
Hi.
could you please go and break out room 5 and tell Mr. Dawson to come to the main session, please?
Mr. Dawson? Sure.
Yes.
All right, before I do that, there's some reviews. Can I just send them out?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Darnell, can you make Judge host?
Yes. And okay.
Thank you.
Okay, there you go. And also, okay, and is Madam Prosecutor still there?
Yes.
Okay, also, Corporal Robbins' case on defendant Raymond Davis said his case can be dismissed.
Okay, Davis, let me find him.
And then also, and I have one more,
Raymond Davis, let me see.
Wayman, W-A-Y-M-O.
Wayman,
Davis.
okay.
And also on Sergeant Amarante, his client is Rowan Richardson, his first name is spelled R-O-Y-A-N Richardson. He said his case can be dismissed if he have a license or amended to fail to display.
Okay, so he did, okay.
Okay. 36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, talking, eating, sleeping, or walking around or driving. When your name is called, please give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning. This is the People versus Charles Dalton, ticket number P1284787, count 1, failed to display, valid operator's license, not on person. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Charles, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Kyle Murphy, P83879, standing in place of Attorney Biz Beekis this morning.
All right, it looks like there is a recommendation for this to be dismissed. With that, Mr. Murphy, do you stipulate the probable cause?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set. Mr. Dalton, it looks like you do have some civil infractions that you'll need to take care of.
Okay. All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck to you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you all.
Appreciate it, Attorney.
Thank you.
Okay, as the judge is bringing you, as the attorney is telling you to come out, Mr. Dean, you got to find somewhere where you can be stable. You have to be seated while the judge is on the bench. Mr. Robinson, please turn on your video, please.
Yes,
Okay, be patient. I'm going to open court in a minute.
okay.
This is the recommendation of Davis. But you get ready to dismiss there.
Oh, I guess the officer was Raymond Davis. Oh, right.
Madam Prosecutor,
Yes, sir.
would you like for Mr. Wayman Davis to come out and Mr. Richardson?
Give me 1 second, please. You still at home? Raymond Davis. Give me 1 second, Mr. Petway.
Jason Robinson. Ryan Davis.
Everyone remain quiet. I'm going to open court in a minute.
Let me know what it's the show called.
Okay, yep, Wayman Davis is ready, Mr. Petway. That's a dismissal based on the officer's advisement.
Dawson.
And then.
I just brought some people out that I thought were ready.
Okay, just give me 1
Okay.
second. You still have Wayman Davis, right? I do not. This is him right here. That's a dismissal, I believe, based on,
What was that last show called?
yeah, yeah, at that time.
Ms. Soroki, any other officers need to come out?
I'm not, well, the only one is, the trial is on the McCree one. I don't think he's here, but, room 24 can come out. I can't tell now that they gave us this weird thing. Room 24. Let me see if I brought him out. Maybe I brought him out.
Corporal McCree is here, but I'll bring out room.
Yeah, you can bring out McCree because that guy has his documents. So,
Room 24,
yeah, room 24 can come out too, please.
McCree. Attorney Soroki, I don't see McCree.
I don't think I didn't see him when I looked. So it doesn't matter. The guy has his documents. So it's not going to be no PO.
Okay.
Okay.
That, I'm gonna open court in a minute, so everyone please remain quiet. Let's see.
Mr. Petway, you may.
36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, talking, sleeping, walking, driving a vehicle, or anything of that sort. When your name is called, please give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
versus Juwan Roberts, ticket number 1841945 count one. Drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, count two, no insurance misdemeanor, and ticket number 1726738 count one. Fails to display a valid operator's license is not on person. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Joanne Roberts.
Say your name.
Juwan Roberts.
Your Honor, he's here on a review today. He indicates he's completed the request of the court.
Oh, this is a probation case? This is a probation?
I don't know. I don't have the file. I mean, he
Yes.
Okay, we will recall this because we have to notify the probation department.
Oh my God.
All right, this is the people versus Dean Marone.
What was that, Judge? What was it?
Dean, is it Marone?
Marone Dean.
Okay,
Marone Dean, I'm sorry. Marone Dean, ticket number P13021445, count one. Drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, count two, drove out unlicensed, and count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Mr. Dean.
Marone Dean.
My client has his registration and insurance, but I do see there's a license violation. I don't know if it's been, well, it's 10 o'clock trial date and the officer hasn't appeared.
All right. So,
I don't think he has. I'll look again.
He hasn't. He hasn't.
We move for dismissal.
All right, with that, the court will dismiss all matters without prejudice. You are all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the people versus Emmett Dawson. Ticket number P1304, I'm sorry, P130541. Goodness,
Is that an SP?
sorry, P130546, count one, no proof of insurance, and ticket number P130546 count one, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Mr. Dawson.
Say your name, Mr. Dawson.
Emmett Dawson.
Your Honor, Mr. Dawson showed me a registration which expires in May of 2023 and a proof of insurance that expires on February 19th of 2023. I'm moving for dismissal of his matters.
Probable cause.
So stipulated.
Okay, so these matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Dawson. Good luck to you, sir.
You can bring 16 out.
Just checking to see if Demetrius Dennis checked in. Good morning, Mr. Workey.
Yes, Demetrius Dennis is here. The officer's here. There's Douglas George is here. The officer's here. Nigel Doucette is here. The officer's here. Antoine Reed is here. The officer's here. And David Rodriguez. How do you like that?
Yeah, they all have offers for now. I think with David Rodriguez, I need a Secretary of State record.
And also John Ryan. I don't think they all, I'm gonna have to talk to you about them, but anyway.
Okay, no problem. Let me just run to 435 and I'll be right back.
Justice Dorchi, ticket number X4049384, count one, new operator's license / multiple optional ops, Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, on behalf of Mr. Dorchy.
Mr. Dorchy, say your name, sir.
Yes, here. Augustus Dorsey.
Your Honor, I believe the recommendation would be fail to display veiled license. He would avail himself of that.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Dorchy. Mr. Dorchy, raise your right hand, sir. Or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth.
Yes,
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Soroki in private about your case and your rights. Mr. Dorchy, have you had an opportunity to speak to the attorney in private about your case and your rights?
He's having, he has connection issues. Mr. Dorsey, why don't you turn your picture off? See if you can get a better speaking. I think he's frozen.
yes,
Turn off your video, Mr. Dorchy.
Gives us bad reception.
Right, turn the video off.
turn the video off. How you do it?
At the bottom where it says stop. Yeah, okay.
All right,
Okay. Mr. Dorchy, have you had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Soroki in private about your case and your rights?
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
You're pleading of your own free will?
say it again, couldn't hear you, Your Honor.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
yes, I am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes,
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
yes,
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of May 14, 2022 at 8:46 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near I-96 in Grand River in the city of Detroit?
yes,
Were you driving a 2007 Saturn vehicle?
yes, I was.
And did you not have an operator's license or multiple operator's license on your person?
Yes,
You had them? on your
no,
person?
no,
You did
no,
not?
no, I
You're
didn't.
satisfied? You're
Satisfied.
The court's also satisfied with the factual basis. We'll accept the admission, count one, and we'll amend it to fail to display. We will proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine. Mr. Dorchy, can you have the fine paid by December 7th?
Yes,
Do you have any questions, sir?
no, I don't, Your Honor.
So you are all set. Good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you.
Mr. Roberts, Juwan Roberts, come back into the screen. You're in court. And
Let me
This
leave.
is the people versus Jason Robinson. Ticket number U45829718. Count one, offer to engage the services of another for an act of prostitution. Good morning. Please say your names for the record.
Pauline Soroka, on behalf of Mr. Robinson.
Good morning, Jason Robinson.
Your Honor, he's here on a review. He indicates he completed his class and paid his fines and costs.
Give me 1 second.
What was her name?
Darnell, you can bring out, I think it's 22, hang on.
what?
You can bring out 22.
Okay.
I don't know, did we bring out 17 and 13?
I see
Hold
that
on.
you paid.
Let me check.
And 27?
Oh, it looks like he's compliant. They filed a order for discharge from.
So you do see it.
All right, so, the court has looked up Mr. Robinson's case. It does indicate that an order for discharge from probation was generated, so it appears that Mr. Robinson has complied with all requirements. So the court will close this case out.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Good luck to you, Mr. Robinson.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome, sir. You can hang up, sir. You're all set.
All righty.
Discharge.
Huh?
Discharge. You say you seen it.
I just see it.
I'll check.
This is the People versus DeLorean Daffin, ticket number SP 1353426, count one, driver license suspended. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Pauline
Levon Daffer.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of DeLorean Daffin, Your Honor. At this time, hang on, just give me a second.
You know what, here, go ahead, well, I'm sorry, let me do Wayman Davis. This is the People versus Wayman Davis, ticket number SP 1356243, count one, drove while unlicensed. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Pauline
Wayman.
Soroki on behalf of Wayman Davis, Your Honor.
Wayman Davis here, Your Honor.
Your Honor, Officer Robbins appeared this morning and indicated he did not want to proceed with this matter. I believe he spoke with your court reporter and moved dismissal.
I believe it was, if he had valid documentation, it's my understanding he does in fact have valid documentation.
I didn't check it. I just heard the officer say he assumed he had it. So, Mr. Davis, you have your license now?
No, I do not. I need to get them back, Your Honor.
Well, if the officer isn't here, I'm still moving for dismissal. I mean,
Okay, so can I move forward and try to go get my license back
Mr.
now?
Davis, please, hold
Or,
on.
or if he doesn't have his license, he can plead to fail to display. He can dismiss it if he had a license, or he can plead to fail to display.
So what do you want to do, Ms. Roki? Because we have his phone number, we can call him back.
Mr. Davis, how long is it going to be till you get your license?
I can do it within the next month.
Is the court inclined to just adjourn it for a pretrial date since the officer isn't present right now? Give him 30 days to get his license?
The only thing is, pretrial dates are in 2 weeks.
Can you do it within 2 weeks, Mr. Davis?
I'm on a fixed income, so I only get money once a month.
Please do fail to display.
I don't really know what to do.
The recommendation is to dismiss without prejudice, so,
So stipulated, Your Honor.
all right. You're all set.
You can hang up, Mr. Davis. Get your license in order.
All right, thank you very much.
You said it was good.
This is the People versus DeLorean Daffin, ticket number SP 1353426, count one, driver license suspended. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of DeLorean Daffin.
Say your name, sir.
DeLorean Levon Daffer.
Okay, so I lost his name. Oh, there we go. Okay, so people made a recommendation to fail to display. My client's going to waive his rights. He has the court to adopt that.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Daffin. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You you put your hand down. You had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
I couldn't hear you say that again.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, I do.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of May 14, 2022 at 1:12 p.m. On that date and time, were you at near Nevada and Lumpkin Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2007 GMC vehicle?
Yes, I was.
And were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes, I was.
You satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
I'm also satisfied. Factual basis, will accept the admission, will amend it to fail to display. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a $200 fine, Mr. Daffin. Can you have that fine paid by December 7th?
Which day?
12/7.
I actually get paid on the 10th, so I'm trying to pay all tickets that day. So yes. Can I get an extension?
So you need like till the 12th, you need to 12/12, sir?
Yeah.
I'll give, it's fine. I'll give them to, you can do it January 6th.
Appreciate it.
All right, so you are all set, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck.
Okay, I'm,
22? Can you bring out 22?
you said 16, 22, 17, 13, and 27.
Yeah, just bring them out. We still got people that got to finish though.
Okay, I'm gonna put, Mr. Roberts in the waiting room until the probation officer come, and I'm gonna bring out 16. Here we go, 16,
And then the rest, I'm gonna need the city attorney.
20,
'Cause I need to slow down, right?
22,